Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download, install, and start using Folding at Home. Open up whichever internet browser you're using and go to Folding.stanford.edu. Start off by clicking the orange Start Folding Now button. Once the next page loads, you're going to click on the big blue Download Now circle. This will load a page with the Windows x86 download link. Select that, wait for it to finish, and then follow the prompts that are applicable to your needs. It may take a few seconds to a few minutes to finish installation, but once that is finished, you can open the program and start folding. Right-click the Folding at Home icon on the taskbar and select Advanced Control. Now you can choose to fold anonymously or create your own identity. There are many teams that are already donating to the project. To join a team, simply enter their team number into the client once you are ready. Or you can start a new team using the Create a Team page linked on the stats page. Passkey is a new feature beginning with the version 6 client. It is a unique identifier that ties your contributions directly to you, not just those with your username. The use of a passkey prevents others from cheating using your name. The client will automatically adjust to your hardware specifications. You can also control how many CPU cores it will use along with the frequency of usage. Multi-GPU setups aren't uncommon, and with most SLI or Crossfire motherboards, you can mix NVIDIA and AMD GPUs as well. Pause the CPU slot to let the GPU run because I'm not using a capture card and it doesn't like it when I run both of them at the ssame time. I've loaded up GPU-Z and SpeedFan so I can monitor all my CPU cores and the GPU temps while I fold. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on the system's temps while running Folding at Home or any other distributed computing software. In some cases, they will utilize up to 100% of the system's resources and can be dangerous if there isn't adequate cooling available. I'd highly recommend upgrading CPU coolers and shying away from any sort of blower-style GPU coolers, as they usually don't provide anywhere near the amount of cooling that a large aftermarket gaming GPU would have. Notice that even my GTX 1080 G1 Gaming still reaches 60 degrees C. At 100% I've seen this card hit 80 degrees C, so it's always a good idea to keep an eye on fan RPM. Now you let the work unit be processed. Once it's complete, it will automatically upload the finished result and simultaneously download a new unit to be processed. Now I'm going to switch over to Seti at Home. This is my favorite distributed computing software to run. To run Seti, go to Setiathome.berkeley.edu. First, start by selecting Join Seti at Home. The next prompt will ask you to download. The third screen asks if you want to download with the VirtualBox, although it's not needed. Then let it download and install. Next, I go directly to Advanced View, although you don't have to. If no project has been added, it will ask which project you would like to participate in. Scroll down and find the one you're interested in. For me, I'm interested in aliens. After a few seconds, it will attach to the project. You create a user profile as you will be credited points for completing work units. Once complete, it will begin downloading. You can select how many CPU cores will be used, what percentage of CPU time will be used, and if there are any GPUs in the system. Again, like with Folding at Home, I'm only going to run on the GPU. Seti at Home isn't as demanding as Folding at Home or something like Prime Grid, but keep temps in mind. Now, overclocking of any kind can be dangerous to your components, so if you cook your hardware, it's on you and you alone. So if you're not crypto mining and you still want to put your hardware to use when you're not gaming, these are just a few choices. Try Prime Grid if you really want to push your system to its limits. Just make sure you have a fire extinguisher ready. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content in the future.